Hello, dear friends. Very warm welcome to all of you at this amazing, beautiful platform. Myself, Dr. Shrikant Verma. So, starting this session for the first prof, for the INICT, for the NEET PG, for the FMG students in a very interesting way. So, before starting this session, remember, beta, रास्ता भी जानते हो, चलना भी जानते हो, तुम आग हो, तबीयत से जलना भी जानते हो, खुद को मोम न समझो जो झट से पिघल जाओगे, तुम सूरज हो, डूब के निकलना भी जानते हो. So in our today's class we are going to look the our osteology part, the upper limb bone. One by one we are going to cover these bones. So our first bone is the beauty bone, clavicle. So whenever you are getting the bones in your exam, what you have to do, you have to first identify the bone. So how can you identify this clavicle bone? Yes, this is the S-shaped bone. Yes, it is S-shaped bone. Getting the point? Fine. Now, remember, it is a little bit slender on the medial two-third part and lateral one-third part is flat. Okay, sir. So it is very easy to identify this bone. This is the collarbone, this is the clavicle bone. Yes, sir. This bone is the first bone in our osteology practical, first bone in our MBBS, first bone in the first year part. Okay. So we are going to look for this all the things. So after the identification, you have to know the site determination. How you will determine the site. Try to understand. जैसे ये बोन मिला, यस, आपने इस बोन को पकड़ा, उठाया, पहचान लिया, ये क्लेविकल है. याद रखो बच्चों, मीडियल टू थर्ड इज हैविंग कॉन्वेक्सिटी on the anterior side. Medial two-third part is having the convexity on the anterior side and lateral one-third is having concavity on the front side. So you will put in this way or in that way. Okay, sir. Now the next point, there is the one groove below the clavicle known as a subclavian groove. So when you will have the clavicle in your hand, you will see one groove. Yes, that is subclavian groove. It is found below. So that subclavian groove you have to put down. तो या तो आप बोन को ऐसे रखोगे, यस, इस तरीके से, या फिर ऐसे रखोगे. सो व्हाट यू टू डू, आपको सबक्लीन ग्रूव को पता करना है और उस सबक्लीन ग्रूव को नीचे रखना है. गेटिंग द पॉइंट. सो द सबक्लीन ग्रूव इज बिलो. So you can not put the bone in this way, but you will put in that way. So this is the our clavicle. What the points you have to follow, sir? There is the two-third part. Yes, this two-third part. I'm coming close to the camera so that you can remember, you can understand easily. Look here, sir. This is the our S-shaped bone, clavicle. Getting the point better? Okay. So it is having the medial two-third. It is having the lateral one-third part. Okay, sir. Now medial two-third part, it is convex anteriorly. Getting the point? Yes, medial two-third part, it is convex anteriorly, while the lateral one-third part, it is concave anteriorly. Okay, sir. So this is the our clavicle. Now the subclavian groove. Subclavian groove is located below. So here is the one groove marked with the blue color. So this is the subclavian groove which is downside. So this is the position. Now, yes, in this situation, this is the position. This is the right side. If you will do in this side, the subclavian groove is going upside. So this is wrong. सबक्लीन ग्रूव ऊपर नहीं जाता, वो नीचे रहेगा. ओके, मीडियल टू थर्ड ये आगे रहेगा. फाइन. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग पोजीशन बिकॉज सबक्लीन ग्रूव इज अबव. आपको इसको नीचे करना है ऐसा. So right now in my hand there is the our right clavicle. Now try to understand the medial end and the lateral end. They are at the same plane. So you have to hold the clavicle in your body position. Medial two third part, yes, it is having the approximately quadrangle surface. This is medially, which is articulating with the sternum. Okay, while the lateral one third part, it will articulate with the scapula. Sir, this is the position. Okay, fine. Also it is told that in males the lateral one third is slightly above. थोड़ा सा ये ऊपर होता है. Okay, तो इस तरीके से आप समझ सकते हैं क्लेविकल के बारे में. In the males this bone is comparatively heavy, more rough. The prominence are more, bony tubercles are more prominent. Okay, fine. So these are the points. Now try to understand what are the attachment. So remember the magic of for the clavicle. कैसे याद रखेंगे? Yes, medial two third, lateral one third. Medial two third, 4 fats. Lateral one third, 4 fats. What you have to remember? Medial two third, anterior surface, posterior surface, superior surface, inferior surface. Getting the point? Okay. So what are the 4 surface? Anterior surface, posterior surface, superior surface, inferior surface. याद हो गया? अब उसके बाद वैसे ही आपको lateral one third के बारे में 4 फैक्ट याद रखना है. मैजिक ऑफ 4 फॉर द क्लेविकल. यस, एंटीरियर बॉर्डर, posterior border, superior surface, inferior surface, खत्म, टाटा, बाय बाय, गया, इतना ही पढ़ना है. What you have to remember? Yes, the medial 2/3, lateral 1/3. Four surfaces on the medial 2/3, four special point for the lateral 1/3. Four surfaces: entry surface, posterior surface, superior surface, inferior surface. Yes, lateral 1/3, superior surface, inferior surface, two surfaces and two border, anterior border, posterior border. Okay, so what are the important points about the our medial 2/3? चलिए शॉर्ट स्वीट करते हैं. आपका फर्स्ट एमबीबीएस का एग्जाम है और फिर मैं आपको नोट्स देता हूं. सर medial 2/3, एंट्री सरफेस, फील योर ओन बॉडी. यहां पर एक बड़ी सी मसल है जो कि बहुत बड़ी है. यस, पेक्टोरल रीजन में. सो व्हाट शुड बी द नेम? पेक्टोरिस मेजर. सो द मीडियल 2/3 anterior surface, it is giving origin to the our clavicle. yes, clavicular head of the pectoralis major. तो बेटा एंट्री सरफेस में क्या हो गया? पेक्टोरिस मेजर. रटना नहीं है ना, ये बॉडी में फील हो रही है. ओके सर. नाउ द पोस्टीरियर वन मसल टेकिंग origin and going towards the our hyoid bone. So you will see on the posterior side, can you see this one? yes, इसको देखो बेटा. Anterior surface, it is giving origin to the our pectoris major. On the posterior side, sir, there is the our sternum to hyoid muscle, sternohyoid. Okay. अब उसके बाद superior surface, यहां पर आपको एक लाल लाल दिख रहा है, this one. Okay. So this muscle is taking origin from the our clavicle as well as the sternum. Okay. And then it is going towards the mastoid process. yes, ये ऊपर में कौन सी मसल है? अपने बॉडी में टच करो, रटना नहीं है. सर, दिस इज द स्टर्नोक्लीडो. क्लीडो का मतलब क्लेविकल. सो दैट इज द स्टर्नोक्लीडोमास्टॉइड मसल. सर, क्लेविकुलर हेड of the sternocleidomastoid is taking origin from the superior surface of the clavicle. Okay, so these are the points. Now only one thing is remaining, the inferior surface. Remember, this inferior surface of the medial 2/3 and lateral 1/3, these are related with the CC ligament. बेटा इधर भी C ligament है, इधर भी C ligament है, दोनों तरफ नीचे नीचे में क्या है? CC ligament. तो इसको याद करने के लिए क्या करना है आपको? यस, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द C ligament? See here, this is the our costo. Okay, यहां पर क्या है? रिब है, costo. Okay, so one ligament between the rib, first rib, and the clavicle. So you will say costoclavicular ligament. Costoclavicular ligament, CC ligament. Yes, here is the first rib, that is the clavicle. So costoclavicular ligament. Okay, while the lateral 1/3 part, sir, the lateral 1/3 part, यहां पर आपको क्या मिलेगा? Sir, there is our coracoid process. So clavicle is articulating with the coracoid process. So that is the coracoclavicular ligament. इधर कौन सा लिगामेंट है बेटा? lateral 1/3 में नीचे में coracoclavicular ligament. yes, जब आप क्लेविकल को देखते हो तो इसमें बोनी रिज मिलते हैं, एक राउंड ट्यूबरकल मिलता है जिसको हम बोलते हैं कोनॉइड ट्यूबरकल, और जबकि इधर आपको मिलता है ट्रेपेजॉइड रिज. रिमेंबर, कोनॉइड ट्यूबरकल इज राउंडेड, कोनॉइड ट्यूबरकल इज राउंडेड. Can you see the conoid tubercle? ये देखो बेटा, conoid tubercle is rounded, while one bony ridge is there, that is our trapezoid ridge. Okay, so these are our different points. This conoid tubercle is attached, it is attaching with the conoid part of the coracoclavicular ligament. I will teach you the coracoclavicular ligament. It is having the two part. Yes, conoid part and trapezoid part. So conoid part is attached to the conoid tubercle. नाम ही बोल रहे हैं, conoid part is attached to the conoid tubercle. मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूं हर चीज को. while the trapezoid part is attached to the our trapezoid ridge. agree beta? fine. now see here, we are talking about the lateral 1/3. again I am summarizing. clavicle, two parts, medial 2/3, lateral 1/3. magic of 4 for the clavicle. yes, medial 2/3, 4 fact, entry surface, posterior surface, superior surface, inferior surface. 4 muscles. yes, pectoris major, then sternohyoid, then sternocleidomastoid, and here is a CC ligament, costoclavicular ligament. खत्म, टाटा, बाय बाय, गया. इतना ही बोलना है, बार बार बोलना है, यही चीज आपके एग्जाम में आ रही है, मस्त होके बोलना है. नाउ द lateral 1/3, sir, 4 facts, entry border, posterior border, superior surface, inferior surface, one by one. Anterior border, touch here. sir, what is the name of the muscle? रटना नहीं बेटा, anatomy is very conceptual, अपने बॉडी में है. yes, you can feel this is the rounded contour of the shoulder. This rounded contour of the shoulder is maintained by the our deltoid muscle. So remember, deltoid is having the entry fiber. This lateral 1/3 anterior border gives origin to the anterior fiber of the deltoid. Getting the point? Again I am repeating, the anterior fiber of the deltoid. yes, this is our lateral 1/3 part of the clavicle. So this is the anterior border. Anterior border is giving origin to the, yes, your answer is anterior fiber of the deltoid. Now come to the back side, blue color area. Getting the point? Blue color area. So this blue color area is the back side, posteriorly. Posteriorly, which muscle here in the neck? Sir, there is a trapezius. Which muscle, beta? Trapezius. So remember, this trapezius is having the upper fiber. Upper fiber is coming and getting insertion into the our lateral 1/3 of the clavicle along the posterior border. कैसे बोलना है वाइवा में? इंग्लिश में बोलना पड़ेगा बेटा. Yes, you have to practice. Fine. So what you have to remember? Yes, lateral 1/3 posterior border gives insertion. Blue color is insertion. Fine. So entry border deltoid, posterior border trapezius, deltoid origin, trapezius insertion. Now superior surface. Remember, this superior surface is subcutaneous. Superior surface is subcutaneous. Okay, sir. This superior surface is the subcutaneous. Fine. Only long bone in the body which is horizontally located. MCQ, Viva question, and subcutaneous throughout. MCQ, Viva question. That is the clavicle. Because it is subcutaneous, you can feel. That's why it is beauty bone. बेटा आज के जमाने में जो लड़का या जो लड़की जितना ज्यादा दुबला पतला है, जितना ज्यादा दुबली पतली है, उसमें बोन्स उतने ज्यादा प्रोमिनेंट है, तो जीरो फिगर बोला जाता है. गेटिंग द पॉइंट? ओके, जीरो फिगर का ट्रेंड है आजकल. यस, सो क्लेविकल इज वेरी प्रोमिनेंट इन सच काइंड ऑफ द बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स. ओके, सो विच बोन डिसाइड्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ द बॉय और गर्ल? This clavicle. That's why which bone is known as the beauty bone? Clavicle. पुराने जमाने में चाबी आती थी, तो इस clavicle का शेप चाबी की तरह है. That's why this is also known as the yes key bone, key like bone. Okay, clavicle का मतलब बेटा key होता है. Fine. Okay sir. Now this is our all the points. Inferiorly there is the our coracoclavicular ligament, CC ligament, which is having the conoid part and trapezoid part. खत्म, टाटा, बाय बाय, गया. चलो 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 स्टार्ट करते हैं. मैं एक बार चैट देख लेता हूं, कोई डाउट है क्या? समझ में आ रहा है क्या? यस, वैष्णवी इज आस्किंग सर हाउ टू टेल राइट और लेफ्ट क्लेविकल इट इज बेटर. देखो समझो, राइट और लेफ्ट के लिए आपको क्या करना है. जैसे ही क्लेविकल पहचान जाओगे, यस एस शेप का होता है. फाइन. अब जैसे ही आपने पहचान लिया, अब आपको क्या करना है कि इसका कॉन्वेक्सिटी देखना है. यस, ये कॉन्वेक्स दिख रहा है, ये कॉन्केव दिख रहा है. फाइन. या फिर आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, ये कॉन्केव हो गया, ये कॉन्वेक्स हो गया. आपको क्या याद रखना है कि मीडियल 2/3 पार्ट कॉन्वेक्स है. ओके, लैटरल 1/3 पार्ट कॉन्केव है. ओके सर, फाइन. अब उसके बाद क्या याद रखना है कि कॉन्वेक्सिटी जो होती है मीडियल 2/3 की, वो आगे होती है, पीछे नहीं होती. फाइन. तो इसलिए बेटा इसी कॉन्वेक्सिटी को आपको आगे रखना है, ऐसे नहीं रख सकते. फाइन. तो ये बेटा आगे की तरफ आएगा. मीडियल 2/3 इज कॉन्वेक्स एंटीरियरली एंड लैटरल 1/3 इज कॉन्केव एंटीरियरली. ओके, अब आप इसको ऐसे भी रख सकते हो और दूसरा ऐसे भी रख सकते हो. इसके अलावा कोई अब पोजीशन नहीं बचा, दो ही पोजीशन बचे, ऐसे या ऐसे. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर? सबक्लेवियन ग्रूव which gives attachment to the subclavius muscle insertion. So this subclavian groove is located on the inferior surface. तो सपोज आपने इसको ऐसा पकड़ा, गड्ढा दिख रहा है ऊपर में, गलत हो गया. conoid tubercle and trapezoid tubercle. Yes, can you see? This is the subclavian groove. ये देखो बेटा, ये ब्लू कलर की लाइन दिख रही है, that is a subclavian groove. इसको नीचे रखना है. Can you see the conoid tubercle, the trapezoid ridge? Yes, ये बेटा नीचे आएगा. तो अगर आप इसको ऐसे रखते हो तो ये तो गलत हो गया. तो एक ही पोजीशन बचा, इसको पलटना पड़ेगा इधर. फाइन. सो नाउ व्हाट इज द फाइनल थिंग? मीडियल 2/3 इज कॉन्वेक्स एंटीरियरली, सबक्लेवियन ग्रूव इज बिलो. बस ये दो पॉइंट याद रखो. मीडियल 2/3 इज कॉन्वेक्स एंटीरियरली. रटना भी नहीं, अपने क्लेविकल को टच करो, फील करो. Yes, it is convex entirely. रटना नहीं है. Anatomy in your own body. Anatomy is very conceptual subject. No need to mug up. Yes, the medial 2/3 is convex entirely. Fine. Okay. While this lateral 1/3 is concave entirely. Now, who is your friend? Subclavian groove is friend. Conoid tubercle trapezoid ridge is your friend. These are below. तो बेटा इस सिचुएशन में इस बोन की बात करें तो ये हमारे राइट साइड रहेगी. और हमेशा याद रखना वाइवा में क्लेविकल को, सर ये क्लेविकल है, सर ये क्लेविकल, ऐसे नहीं करना. क्लेविकल एवरी बोन यू हैव टू पुट इन योर बॉडी इन देयर ओन पोजीशन. तो क्लेविकल को यहां पर अगर मान लो हम पढ़ेंगे, है ना, ह्यूमरस पढ़ेंगे, तो ह्यूमरस को ह्यूमरस के लोकेशन में, रेडियस को रेडियस के साथ, अल्ना को अल्ना के साथ, तो उसकी बॉडी पोजीशन में आपको बताना रहता है. एग्री बेटा? फाइन. होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. क्लियर बेटा? Okay, so what I want to tell you, this is our clavicle. We had completed all the points regarding the our clavicle. So let's start the अवर नोट्स पार्ट, कितना पढ़ना है, क्या पढ़ना है, क्या क्या चीजें रिवाइज करनी है. ओके, so just look, this is your clavicle. Again, few image based practice for all of you. Try to understand. Sir, this is the our clavicle part. Yes, so just see, I know the magic. I'm going to show you the ant-man magic. मैं छोटा हो जाऊंगा. Yes, try to understand. Abracadabra, gili gili. Now it is better for all of you. So थोड़ी बहुत जादूगरी हम भी जानते हैं. Okay, so what I want to tell you, sir, this is the our clavicle, the three dimensional orientation for all of you. Can you see this one? The lal wool, neela wool, anatomy, beautiful. Just see the beautiful three dimensional orientation. Sir, we are going to look the upper limb bone one by one. Yes, this is the class for the clavicle. Then we will see the scapula. After the scapula, we will observe the our humerus. After the humerus, we will see the radius and ulna, and then also we'll talk about the hand bone. क्या क्या देखेंगे बेटा? Yes, she looks too pretty. Try to catch her. Sir, these are the our scaphoid, lunate, triquetral, pisiform, trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, hamate. Yes, then you can see also the first, second, third, fourth, fifth metacarpal bone, and then these are the phalanges, the proximal, middle and distal phalanges, proximal, middle and distal phalanges. But the thumb is having only proximal and distal phalanges, no any kind of the middle phalange there. Getting the point? So these are the things which you have to remember. Okay, sir. So try to understand this image. Yes, I am going to draw for all of you for your proper concept. Yes, sir. Look here, sir, the clavicle. Notes for all of you. Then we will draw the diagram also. Clavicle. Okay. So the clavicle bone is having the two parts. What are the different two parts, better? Yes. Medial 2/3 and lateral 1/3. Okay, sir. Yes, they are the two parts of the clavicle, medial 2/3 and lateral 1/3. Fine. Now the four facts, clavicle, magic of four. Okay. Yes, medial 2/3, four facts, lateral 1/3, four facts. Khatam, tata, bye bye, gaya. Okay, sir. What are the our different four facts? Yes, medial 2/3. It is having the, you can remember the four surfaces. First, anterior surface. Second, posterior surface. Third, superior surface. And fourth, inferior surface. इतना बन जाता है. Fine. Now the four attachments. What are the different four attachment we are going to look? Sir, anterior surface. I told you the origin of the pectoralis major. Which muscle, beta? Pectoralis major. O for origin. Fine. Posterior surface. I told you which muscle? Sir, sternum and attached to the, inserted to the hyoid. So sternohyoid, again origin. Then superior surface, which muscle at the superior surface? Feel in your own body. Yes, yes. अपने body में feel करो बेटा. Okay. I'm looking for the chat box. Yes. Superior surface. There is the our sternocleidomastoid, clavicular head only, origin, na. And then inferior surface, sir, there is the ligament. Which ligament? CC ligament, showing with the Greek color. What is the CC ligament? Remember, that is our first rib. That's why you will say costo, attached to the clavicle. That's a costo clavicular ligament. Only these points you have to remember for the your, yes, medial 2/3. इतना बस याद रखना है बेटा. Hope you all are getting the point. Okay, sir. So one box for all of you. ओके अभी तक कोई डाउट बेटा, सब समझ में आया? फाइन. नाउ द lateral one third surface, clavicle, lateral one third. So what are the different points about the lateral one third? Again 4 facts. Yes, you have to remember the first anterior border, and then next is posterior border. Then you have to remember, yes, superior surface, and then last is your inferior surface. So these are the 4 facts. Okay, one by one. This is the one beautiful notes for all of you. Okay, sir. Anterior border. Do you remember anterior border? There was the origin of which muscle? Feel. Sir, this is our deltoid. So this is our, yes, deltoid origin. Which fiber? Remember anterior fiber of the deltoid. Anterior fiber origin. Now posterior border, feel posterior border. Yes, here is a muscle from the back side. कौन सी muscle है बेटा? Sir, that is our trapezius. So you will say trapezius. Superior fiber. Remember it is insertion, na? Yes, it is insertion. So showing with the blue color. It is insertion. Now superior surface, no attachment. Sir, there is subcutaneous. It is subcutaneous throughout. That's why this bone is known as beauty bone. Yes, your Viva question MCQ. Now the inferior surface, sir, there is a ligament. Inferior side, there is a coracoid process. So you will say, sir, coracoid process. So coracoid process is attached with the ligament. What should be the name of the ligament? Coracoclavicular ligament. So better to write, sir, coracoclavicular ligament. Yes, sir. This is attached between the coracoid process and the clavicle. So this is having the 2 part. Yes, attached to the conoid tubercle known as the conoid part, and another is attached to the our, yes, trapezium ridge. So you will say trapezoid part. Yes, conoid part and trapezoid part. So remember that is the our attachment with the conoid tubercle and with the trapezoid tubercle. Okay, so these are the points which you have to remember. And at the last, yes, you have to look for the subclavian groove. ये खत्म बेटा, इतना ही पढ़ना है ना, आपका क्लेविकल का वाइवा खत्म. ओके, व्हाट यू टू रिमेंबर, sir, in between them, between this medial 2/3 and lateral 1/3, there is the presence of one groove, that is the subclavian groove, where there is the insertion of subclavius muscle. Okay, fine. So this is all the point. One quick revision with the help of the images from our different textbooks. Can you see? This is the our medial 2/3, lateral 1/3. Yes, medial 2/3, lateral 1/3. This is your superior surface. Yes, sir. Here is a superior surface, and this is the inferior surface. So it is having the 2 part. What are the 2 part? Sir, external and medial side, which is attached to the sternum. Sir, this is the lateral end, which is attached to the acromion process. Yes, sir, this is the acromion end and this is the external end. Remember external end, जब आप देखोगे बेटा इसको क्लेविकल को, तो ये कैसा दिखेगा? सर, दैट इज नियर अबाउट द क्वाड्रिंगल. ओके, चौकोर जैसा होता है, ओवल बोल सकते हैं. बट द lateral 1/3, yes, this is the medial end. I am showing you. Look here, sir, this one. This is the medial end. Medial 2/3 convex, lateral 1/3 concave. So can you see the medial end? It is oval or quadrangular in shape. Superior surface, sorry, anterior surface, posterior surface, superior, inferior surface, and that is your lateral part. So lateral part is flat, anterior border, posterior border, superior surface and inferior surface. Okay, fine. So look for this one. Inferiorly, there is the rough impression for the ligament. Which ligament? Costoclavicular ligament. Okay, sir. And this is the rounded elevation known as conoid tubercle. Sir, this is the our, yes, one elongated bony prominence, that is the ridge, trapezoid ridge. Okay. In between them there is the groove. Sir, this is the subclavian groove for the subclavius muscle. Fine. Okay, sir. Now these are the attachment. Can you see the medial two-third part? Anteriorly, there is the origin of the pectoralis major. Yes. Superiorly, the sternocleidomastoid. Correct, sir? When you will talk about the our inferior side, okay, so you will see the attachment of the ligament. Which ligament? Sir, there is the costoclavicular ligament on the inferior side. Fine. And on the posterior side you will see the sternohyoid, which is not shown in this image. Fine. Also you can see on the lateral side, lateral one third, anterior border is giving origin to the anterior border of the deltoid, while the posterior one is giving insertion to the trapezius. Okay, sir. Now inferiorly, can you observe, sir, the ligament? So there is the conoid part and the trapezoid part. Conoid part and trapezoid part, both are uniting and making the coracoclavicular ligament. Okay. Yes, sir. In between the junction of the medial two-third, lateral one-third, there is the subclavian groove where there is a subclavius muscle insertion. Simple, beta. Okay. So these are the points. Again, one quick revision. Sir, the muscles pectoralis major, sternocleidomastoid, deltoid, trapezius and subclavius, these are attached to the clavicle. And three ligaments you can say, sir, the coracoclavicular, costoclavicular. Also there is the interclavicular, in between the two clavicle ligament is there, interclavicular. Okay, fine, you can drop this one, but the coracoclavicular and costoclavicular ligament, they are important. Okay. Okay, sir. Also we are going to talk about our ossification center. Do you remember? Each long bone is generally having one primary center of ossification, and there is a presence of the, yes, ends of the bone, the two secondary center of ossification. What is the primary center of ossification? Which appears before birth. पैदा होने के पहले जो एपियर हो जाए उसको प्राइमरी सेंटर ऑफ ऑसिफिकेशन कहते हैं, और जबकि जो पैदा होने के बाद में एपियर होता है तो उसको हम सेकेंडरी सेंटर ऑफ ऑसिफिकेशन कहते हैं. Okay, so try to understand. The clavicle is only long bone in the body which is having the two primary center of ossification. Okay, so remember clavicle hai, sir. In the clavicle there is the medial two-third and lateral one-third. So remember the medial two-third, it is having the one primary center of ossification. Lateral one-third, it is having the one another primary center of ossification. Okay, but later it is fused. Try to understand the story, the evolution of this our clavicle. Actually, beta, it is not given in your textbook, but it is very nice information from the higher book of the anatomy. Try to understand. Clavicle is actually not a single bone. It is the example of the two different bone. The medial two-third is separate and the lateral one-third is separate. Okay, sir. Now, it is two bone, so definitely each bone is having one primary center of ossification. That's why the medial two-third of the clavicle, it is having one primary center of ossification. The lateral one-third is having one another primary center of ossification. Okay. Okay, sir. So what is happening? Try to understand. Later during the evolution, पहले बेटा हम चार पैर में चलते थे, तब ये दो अलग अलग बोन था, मीडियल टू थर्ड अलग था, लेटरल वन थर्ड अलग था. लेकिन फिर हम खड़े हो गए, तब क्या हुआ कि मीडियल टू थर्ड और लेटरल वन थर्ड आपस में जुड़ गए. Okay, the medial two-third bone and lateral one-third bone both get fused. So now what is happening? What is appearing? This is the single bone, but actually it is the two bone. But now what is the story? This single bone is having the two primary center of ossification. ऐसा हमको लगता है कि इसमें दो primary center of ossification हो. अरे होगा भी क्यों नहीं? अरे भाई जब ये दो बोन है एक्चुअली तो इसमें दो प्राइमरी सेंटर ऑफ ऑसिफिकेशन होगा ना, बट व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू, ड्यूरिंग द इवोल्यूशन दिस बोन गॉट फ्यूज्ड एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज हैविंग द टू प्राइमरी सेंटर ऑफ ऑसिफिकेशन. गॉट द पॉइंट? सिंपल बेटा. ओके, नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द अनदर थिंग. जब ये क्लेविकल बोन दो अलग अलग हड्डियां थी तो एक नर्व थी जो यहां से रन करती थी नीचे. यस, इट इज अबव द क्लेविकल. तो क्या नाम होना चाहिए? सुप्रा क्लेविकुलर नर्व. यू नो देयर आर द थ्री सुप्रा क्लेविकुलर नर्व, मीडियल, लैटरल, इंटरमीडिएट. तो तीन सुप्रा क्लेविकुलर नर्व होते बेटा. कौन कौन से तीन? यस, मीडियल, लैटरल, इंटरमीडिएट. गेटिंग द पॉइंट? यस, मीडियल, lateral, intermediate. Okay, medial, lateral, intermediate. Getting the point? So these are the three part. Fine. So try to understand. There is the our intermediate nerve. It is passing in between the two different two parts. पहले ये दो अलग अलग बोन थे तो बेटा इंटरमीडिएट नर्व इनके बीच से जा रही थी, इंटरमीडिएट नर्व इनके बीच से जा रही थी. ओके फाइन. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, बाद में ये बोन फ्यूज हो गया और जब ये फ्यूज हुआ तो इंटरमीडिएट सुप्राक्लेविकुलर नर्व के चारों ओर फ्यूज हो गया. ऑसिफिकेशन ऑकर्ड अराउंड द इंटरमीडिएट सुप्राक्लेविकुलर नर्व. तो अब हमको क्या लगता है? हमको ये लगता है कि यस, ये जो बोन है इसकी चारों ओर ऑसिफाई हो गई. तो लगता ऐसे है जैसे कि इस बोन को नर्व पियर्स करके जा रही है. सो देयर आर द सेवन पिकुलरिटीज ऑफ द क्लेविकल इन विच यू विल सी सर it is only long bone in our body, it is only bone in our body which is pierced by the nerve. लेकिन ये झूठ है, ये सच नहीं है. सच बात तो ये है कि ये क्लेविकल जो है नर्व के चारों ओर ऑसिफाई हो गई. गॉट द पॉइंट? सो दिस इज द वन वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल फैक्ट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. अगर ऐसा आपने वाइवा में बता दिया तो कमाल हो जाएगा. ओके ओके सर, होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सो नाउ ट्राई टू कैच दिस फैक्ट. सर there are the secondary center of the ossification. Sir, these are external end, secondary center at the our external end, medial side, while the secondary center at the acromial end, lateral side. Okay, तो आप यहां पर देख रहे हैं कि दो प्राइमरी सेंटर ऑफ ऑसिफिकेशन है और दो सेकेंडरी सेंटर ऑफ ऑसिफिकेशन है. यस, दिस सेकेंडरी सेंटर ऑफ ऑसिफिकेशन एट द एक्रोमियल ओकेशनल, कभी कभी होता है. नाउ टाइम ऑफ अपीयरेंस. सो रिमेंबर 6 वीक. एक चीज को याद रखो, 6th week of the intrauterine life. This is the old PG question. While the secondary center on the external side, medial side में कब होता है? Yes, 19 to 20 years. So if it is seen, means अगर कोई लड़का आया उसके में सेकेंडरी सेंटर एक्सटर्नल एंड में दिख गया, फाइन, तो बेटा वो एडल्ट हो चुका है, 18 साल से ऊपर हो चुका है, वो बालिग हो चुका है, वो वोट दे सकता है. ओके, बट इन फीमेल दिस सेंटर इज अपीयरिंग 2 years before. ओके, यस, और ये कब फ्यूज होता है? एपियर तो बेटा यस, टाइम ऑफ अपीयरेंस 19 to 20 ईयर, लेकिन फ्यूज कब होता है? 25 साल की उम्र में ये हमारे प्राइमरी सेंटर ऑसिफिकेशन के साथ फ्यूज हो जाता है. while the secondary center it appears on the 20th year and it is fusing immediately. just कुछ point है बेटा. can you see this one? sir, this our clavicle is having the two primary center of ossification. okay sir, and there is a secondary center at the external end. okay sir, and near the acromion end, can you see there is a secondary center at the acromion end occasional. fine. so these are the points which you have to remember. बेटा एक आपको बढ़िया सा क्वेश्चन आता है, द वेट ट्रांसमिशन. जब हम कोई भारी चीज को उठाते हैं तो उस समय क्या होता है? कैन यू सी, whenever we are lifting any heavy weight, so this weight is going to the radius. okay, with the interosseous ligament it is reaching to the ulna, and from the ulna it is reaching to the humerus, and now this humerus is transferring the weight to the scapula. okay, now this scapula is attached with the our clavicle. fine. yes, and the ligament is our costoclavicular ligament. so this is the question, which ligament is responsible for the transmission of the weight from the upper limb to the our axial skeletal? yes, that is the appendicular skeletal, and here will be the axial skeletal. आपका आंसर क्या है बेटा? poricoclavicular ligament. so this is the one very very important fact which you have to remember. now try to understand. yes, clavicle आ गया. now from the clavicle to the sternum, this weight is transferred by which ligament? costoclavicular ligament. okay, so you can remember the sequence. force, it is reaching to the our hand, then through the wrist joint radius, with the help of the interosseous membrane it is reaching to the ulna, From the our elbow joint it is reaching to the humerus, then shoulder joint this is transferred to the scapula, and now this is the position coracoid process to the clavicle ligament, which was having the two part, yes, conoid part and trapezoid part. It is transferring the force to the clavicle. Now to the axial skeletal it is reached by the costoclavicular ligament. From the clavicle to the axial skeletal the weight is transferred with the help of the costoclavicular ligament. पहले कौन आएगा? Coracoclavicular. From the scapula to the clavicle, and from the clavicle to the axial skeletal, answer is the costoclavicular ligament. Also, yes, which joint is here? Sir, there is a sternoclavicular joint. So this is the point which you have to remember. Okay, beta? Okay, sir. So these are the different facts. Now we are going to look for the our, yes, the clinical part. Fine. So try to understand. Clavicle is the most common bone getting fracture in the adult. Yes, sir. This clavicle is most common bone getting fracture. Remember, in adult as well as in child. So this is your actually the ortho conceptual brainstorming integration, the clinical anatomy. And in pedia, yes, when you will read the Nelson, you will read the Ghai, you will see this point again. Yes, this is your conceptual brainstorming integration with the pedia, Shishu Rog Visheshagya. Okay, beta? Hope you all are getting the point. Fine. Yes. Now, try to understand fracture of the clavicle. Sir, the clavicle is getting fracture in between the junction of the medial two-third and lateral one-third. The first year students, then I will talk you about the our final year students also. Fine. So the medial two-third, this is our sternocleidomastoid, and lateral one-third part here is the attachment of the our gravity part, the humerus part. So try to understand यहाँ कौन जुड़ा हुआ है? Sternocleidomastoid. So when there is a contraction of the sternocleidomastoid, this part is getting elevation, and this is the weight of the humerus. So it is pulling the our clavicle down. तो जब भी बेटा clavicle fracture होता है, so the medial one-third part, medial two-third part, it is elevated by the, it is pulled by the sternocleidomastoid, while the lateral one-third part it is going downside. So you can see the clavicle. एक आदमी है, चोट लगी, गिर गया, तो वेट जो है बेटा अपर लिम्ब से होते हुए क्लेविकल में ट्रांसफर हुआ, करेक्ट सर? तो अब उसको कंधे में दर्द हो रहा है, पेन है, स्वेलिंग है. सो व्हाट इज द क्लिनिकल फीचर? सर, पेशेंट विल प्रेजेंट विद द पेन एंड swelling at the shoulder part. Okay, sir. Now try to understand when there is a pain and swelling at this part. Okay, what will happen? Patient is coming to you with सपोर्टिंग द हैंड. तो बेटा वो अपने हाथ को ऐसे सपोर्ट करके लाएगा. क्यों? बहुत दर्द होगा तो ऐसे सपोर्ट करके लाएगा. फाइन. सो दिस इज द पोजीशन, फ्लेक्सिंग द एल्बो एंड सपोर्टिंग फ्रॉम द ऑपोजिट. डॉक्टर साहब मैं गिर गया, कंधे में चोट लग गई, ऐसा वो बोलेगा. गेटिंग द पॉइंट? नाउ यू मस्ट नो द मोर थिंग्स अबाउट इट in the your final year. Yes, sir. At our final year, you will learn the clavicle fracture, that is the your Allman classification. Forget the Spider-Man, Batman, Aquaman. This is the Allman classification, Allman classification. So according to it, on the basis of the incidence of the fracture, getting the point? You will see this clavicle is divided into the middle one-third, lateral one-third, and the medial one-third. Getting the point? Okay. The most common site of the fracture is reported at this middle one-third, that is approximately 85%. Few textbooks are saying the 80% also. Okay, तो एक average ले लेते, चलो भाई 80%. Fine. While the second most common site is the lateral one-third part, and here you will see the 15% approximately fracture, and the medial part, least common site is the medial part, approximately only 5%. So total 100% fracture are there. So remember, most common site of the fracture is the middle one-third. Second most common site of the fracture according to the orthopedics Allman classification, yes, lateral one-third, and very less common chances that medial one-third will show the fracture. Getting the point, beta? Okay. So these are the things which you have to remember. Okay, sir. Now look, if there is a fracture, of the clavicle, what you will use, you will do this figure of 8 appearance. ये जो है पीछे से जाता है, फिर आगे से होकर फिर पीछे चला जाता है, ऐसे इस तरीके से आपको कंधे में ये ऐसा 8 बनता हुआ नजर आएगा. सो दिस इज योर व्हाट, फिगर ऑफ 8 appearance. Yes, it is used for the clavicle fracture. Okay, getting the point? It is supporting, it is providing the better healing, very good healing. Okay, getting the point, beta? Now try to understand the other clinical point, the clavicular diastosis. Yes, non-union of the two primary center of ossification. क्लेविकल के दो प्राइमरी सेंटर ऑफ ऑसिफिकेशन भाई, एक पार्ट इधर है मीडियल 2/3, एक पार्ट इधर है लैटरल 1/3. ओके, फर्स्ट प्राइमरी सेंटर ऑफ ऑसिफिकेशन, अनदर प्राइमरी सेंटर ऑफ ऑसिफिकेशन. बाद में क्या होता है सर, ये दोनों जो हैं जुड़ जाते हैं. ओके, लेकिन क्या हो कि अगर ये न जुड़े, सो यू विल सी द टू separate part of the clavicle. So this is known as clavicular diasostosis. Okay, getting the point? Now look here, another one, cleidocranial diasostosis. Okay, cleido means clavicle, cranial means skull bone, and these are showing non-fusion, abnormal fusion, non-union, or you can say sometimes absence. तो होता क्या है, कभी कभी कंप्लीट एब्सेंस ऑफ द क्लेविकल, क्लेविकल होता ही नहीं, भगवान ने बनाना भूल गया. ओके, सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, अगर क्लेविकल रहेगा ही नहीं तो दोनों कंधे जो है वो जुड़ जाएंगे. आप अपने कंधों को जोड़ो, जोड़ो एक दूसरे से जोड़ो, नहीं हम नहीं जोड़ सकते, बिकॉज द ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन इज देयर क्लेविकल. बट व्हाट विल हैपन इफ द क्लेविकल इज नॉट देयर? तो बेटा ये दोनों कंधे जो रहते हैं वो एकदम एक दूसरे के पास आ जाते हैं. यस सर, द बोथ द जॉइंट्स आर कमिंग क्लोज together. Okay, so this is congenital situation, hereditary situation also. Yes, this is associated with the defective association of the skull bone also. इसीलिए इसमें cranial भी लगा है. It is not only the cleido, it is the cranial also, ना. Fine. So this is the another one congenital situation. Now see, such kind of the your cadaveric images are asked in the INI-CET NEET PG exam. Can you observe here, sir? This is our clavicle, medial 2/3, lateral 1/3 part. Sir, medial 2/3 part, it is giving origin to the one very big muscle. Yes sir. बेटा आपका प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम, INI-CET, NEET PG exam, FMG exam, cadaveric image practice. So can you see, this is the biggest muscle at the pectoral region, which is taking origin from the medial 2/3 anterior surface. Sir, this is our clavicle. Yes, what you can say, the medial 2/3, and here is the again clavicle. What, this is our lateral 1/3. Which muscle is here, sir? This is our pectoralis, big muscle, that's why you will say major. And here is your which muscle beta? Yes, that is your what, the delta shape muscle, deltoid. Yes sir, this is our delta shape muscle, deltoid. Agree? Fine. So there is a one very interesting question which I will tell you later. This is one groove in between the pectoralis major and the deltoid. What should be the name beta? Sir, this is known as delto pectoral groove. I will teach you later. This deltopectoral groove is covered by one fascia. तो बेटा यहाँ पर एक fascia रहती है ना. Yes. What is the name of that fascia? This deltopectoral groove is also known as. Yes. बेटा ये सब आपके क्वेश्चन है INI-CET NEET PG के, on the basis, on the platform of the first MBBS course. Yes, you will be able to make strong your other subject. This is located below the clavicle. That's why you will say infra clavicular groove or fossa. Yes, it is having one fascia. तो बेटा ये जो fascia है वो क्लेविकल और हमारे पेक्टोरस माइनर के बीच में रहती है, तो इसका क्या नाम देंगे? क्लेवी पेक्टोरल fascia. Sir, it is between the clavicle and the pectoralis minor muscle. So this is the clavipectoral fascia. आपका वाइवा क्वेश्चन बेटा. This clavipectoral fascia is pierced by the our very important structure. एक artery, एक vein, एक nerve, एक lymphatic. Okay. So what are these different structure? Yes, एक artery. कौन सी artery बेटा? thoraco acromion artery. एक वेन. कौन सी वेन बेटा? cephalic vein. Every point is your viva question and MCQ. एक नर्व. कौन सी नर्व? lateral pectoral nerve and lymphatic, simply known as the lymphatic. It is lymphatic of the breast. Okay, fine. So this is these are your four structures piercing the clavipectoral fascia. Remember beta, you can remember the mnemonic also. The mnemonic is talc. What you can remember? Sir, the talc mnemonic. So I am writing the talc mnemonic here also. TALC, talc. Sir, this TA is indicating the artery. Which artery? Thoraco acromion artery. Yes, there are the two L, lateral pectoral nerve, and you can remember the lymphatics. And what is the C beta? Sir, C for cephalic vein. Okay, so these are the points which you can remember. TALC. Okay, okay sir, so these are the points. Now can you see, sir, when you are cutting the pectoris major, look here, lal full, neela full, anatomy beautiful. Look here, sir, this is our pectoral region. Correct sir, this is our platysma. We are removing this one. Can you see the pectoris major? Okay sir, cut it. Can you see below it there is our pectoralis minor muscle. Yes, which is taking origin from the first, second rib, no, third, fourth, fifth rib near the costochondral junction and getting insertion into the our scapula. Sir, this is the pectoralis minor. Okay, and you can see one small muscle just below the clavicle. Yes, this is the subclavius. Sub matlab niche. किसके नीचे? क्लेविकल के नीचे. So this is the subclavius. So this is taking origin from the first rib and getting insertion into the our clavicle. Sir, this is our subclavius muscle. Agree beta? Fine. Okay sir. So in this your cadaveric image, what you can understand, sir, this is our horizontally situated bone at the pectoral region. एक ही तो है. कौन है बेटा? ये आपकी है clavicle, beauty bone. Yes sir, this is our clavicle. Okay, now can you see just below the clavicle, sir, this particular one? Yes. तो क्या नाम देना चाहोगे सर? It is below the clavicle. It is below the clavicle. Yes sir, it is below the clavicle. So you will say subclavius. नाम को तोड़ो, सोचो, दिमाग लगाओ, ऑप्शन है वो आपको पहले ही आंसर उसने बता दी, बस आपको खोजना है. सब मीन्स बिलो. Below of what? Below the clavicle. So what is the name of the muscle beta? Sir, this is the subclavius. Agree? Now can you focus over this muscle? Sir, this muscle is located at the pectoral region and it is going towards the one bony process located just below the clavicle. So this is your INICT question. Below the lateral one third of the clavicle, which bony process is located? Sir, this is the our crow-beak like process. This one, crow-beak like process. Yes. What is the name? This is known as coracoid process. बेटा याद रखना, this is the classical example of the atavistic epiphysis. Yes sir, it is a classical example of the atavistic epiphysis. What should be the name of this muscle? Definitely this is our pectoral region. That's why you will say pectoralis. बड़ा है कि छोटा है sir? It is comparatively small. So pectoralis minor. Remember, this is our key muscle of which region? Pectoral region. So this is again one more MCQ. Yes, this question had been asked in the INICT. Which bone is felt? Which bone is felt just below the clavicle, within the deltopectoral groove, within the infraclavicular fossa? Answer is the coracoid process. So this is your INICET question. But if your first MBBS is strong, every other subject will be strong and the strong. Getting the point? Yes. Now in upcoming parts, I will tell you behind the clavicle, our brachial plexus is passing. तो बेटा अगर मान लो क्लेविकल का फ्रैक्चर होता है तो उस सिचुएशन में ये ब्रेकियल प्लेक्सस का डैमेज हो सकता है. यस, anesthesia integration, clinical part I'm telling you, you can give the injection anesthesia above this clavicle, so that is known as supraclavicular block. Below the clavicle, then it is known as the infraclavicular block. Sir, that is supra, here is the infra. What? Supraclavicular block, and this is the infraclavicular block. Okay, now can you see this point? I will teach you later. Sir, this is the back view. आपको दिख रहा है क्या? ये कान दिख रहा है आदमी का. Fine. So you can see one trapezoid shape muscle. Sir, this is the our one trapezoid shape muscle which is going towards the our clavicle. Yes sir, this is the trapezius muscle. In upcoming part I will teach you, sir, it is our trapezius muscle. Yes, ये कहाँ जा रहा है? Sir, it is going towards the our lateral 1/3 of what? Clavicle. Yes, where? Posterior border. What? Insertion ना, insertion होता है. I am showing you in the 3-dimensional anatomy. बेटा 3-dimensional देखने से orientation बनता है, समझ में आता है. So again, लाल फूल नीला फूल, anatomy beautiful. Can you see this one? I am rotating this our cadaver. We are looking at the back side. So this is the our trapezoid shape muscle, trapezius. Sir, it is passing towards the our clavicle, scapula. Can you see the upper fibers? They are getting insertion into the clavicle. Yes, this is the lateral 1/3 anterior border, and that is the posterior border. So it is getting insertion into the posterior border. Agree, beta? Now this is the last point for the today's class. Thank you everybody for your beautiful support. If you want to be strong, learn to enjoy being alone. याद रखना कि बच्चों, हिटलर ने भी इस चीज को कही है, अगर आप इस दुनिया में तेजी से चलना चाहते हो तो अकेले चलो, अकेले मजबूत बनो. लेकिन इसके साथ में ये भी याद रखना बेटा कि अगर आप दूर तक चलना चाहते हो तो सभी को साथ लेकर के चलो. सो थैंक यू एवरीवन. इफ इन डाउट प्लीज आस्क. Okay, so these are the things, and this is the summary. This is the summary of the today's class. This notes. Okay, fine. Okay, any doubt beta? Last point, summary. Okay, they will give the clavicle. चलो summary करते हैं. Identify this bone. Is this S-shaped bone? Okay sir, fine. Okay, only long bone which is horizontally located. Okay sir. Now it is having the two part, medial 2/3, lateral 1/3. Okay sir. Now try to understand. Medial 2/3 convex anteriorly, lateral 1/3 concave anteriorly. Okay, now subclavian groove below. Okay sir. So on this basis you will identify the clavicle. Now try to understand magic of 4 for the clavicle. Medial 2/3 4 fats, lateral 1/3 4 fats. Medial 2/3 anterior surface, posterior surface, superior surface, inferior surface. Okay sir. Anterior surface, it gives origin to the pectoralis major. Posterior surface, it gives origin to the sternohyoid muscle. Superior surface, it gives origin to the sternocleidomastoid. Complete. Inferior surface is attached with the our rib. So this is known as costoclavicular ligament. This is known as the costoclavicular ligament. Costo plus clavicle. Lateral 1/3, again 4 feature, anterior border, posterior border, superior surface, inferior surface. Anterior border, it gives origin to the anterior fiber of deltoid. Posterior border, it gives insertion to the trapezius muscle. Superior surface, it is subcutaneous throughout. Inferior surface, there is the ligament known as the coracoclavicular ligament attached to the coracoid process. It is having the two part, conoid part and the trapezoid part attached to the conoid tubercle and the trapezium tubercle. Now there is our inferior surface where there is the insertion of the subclavius muscle. Okay, khatam, tata, bye bye, gaya. Thank you very much. Hope you all understood. Okay, so again we will meet soon. All the best. God bless you all. Okay, so ending the session with this beautiful magic again. Yes, remember abracadabra, gili gili chu.